Are you tired of endless scrolling and looking for a more fruitful way to spend your online time? I've got an exciting opportunity for you that not only values your time, but also rewards it. Welcome to the incredible world of Lifepoints. Lifepoints is a brilliant platform that lets you earn free money. Yes, you heard that right, free money. And the best part? Signing up is absolutely free and straightforward. It's as easy as creating a new social media account. Let's take a quick tour on how to get started. The moment you sign up, Lifepoints will welcome you with a sign-up bonus of 10 free points. Now you might be wondering, how can I start earning these Lifepoints? Online surveys and polls are your starting blocks. It's a fun, quick, and interactive way to rack up those points. And here's the cherry on top. Once you reach 1,200 points, you can cash out your rewards for $10. For those who can't wait, there's also an option to cash out for an Amazon gift card once you hit 550 points. Isn't that amazing? Granted, it might take some time to accumulate these points, but hey, Rome wasn't built in a day, right? Your patience is rewarded with the ability to cash out for PayPal or Amazon gift cards. So why wait? Use your online time more efficiently and make it count. Give Lifepoints a try today and turn your virtual points into real rewards. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your online experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.